Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Mohammad Ashir. This is official channel. It's Ashir official. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. More amazing video daily uploaded on this channel. I created the storybook and the full watch the video and without the skip this video in this method without any losing the time. Let's start to begin the video. To create a children storybook illustrated audio adventure, we're going to do it all and it's going to be written produced by an AI bot. Right after this, more to the story, a show that explore what happened in the world from a Christmas perspective. Subscribe on the platform you're enjoying the show or go to It's Ashir official YouTube channel. Our release. Hello, I am Muhammad Ashir. Thanks joining for me. This special edition of More to the Story. Now, if you know anything about me, you know that I love book. In fact, I have written a lot of them and heard some of them you could find those at progress.in, but leave also written and produce a number of children book, illustrated children book, and so I have a sense of how much work it is to create even a children's changing content production book, the game changing publishing, and I want to demonstrate that in this video what I did was I got some input from my children and my niece to tell us what we want in this children story that we're going to produce, sir. So let's take a look at that. Is there something you want to see in a kid story that would be fun? I want a field full of trees and magic. You can't think of anything for a kid's story. It is I want a papaya, a bad unicorn. No character or plot line. I wanted grumpy nuns. Okay, so leave jotted down a few notes on the thing that the kids said they want in their story and leave to organize them. This part is really something that a human brain is kind of needed for, because who in this process your kind of the art director, so to speak, and so as the art director or the publisher here, I put these ideas from the kids together. Okay, so let's jump into the AI system. Not what I am using for this is called chatgpt, but what we're going to do is we're just going to put in our prompt and we're going to let it up reap. Okay, we return our prompt. This is a big pretty challenge because I am
Had just
giving
generated from
any quite
ChatGPT, we're
really.
going to leverage Midjourney.
I
Midjourney
am
is an
just
AI
it
text-to-image
very
program that
vague.
generates
So
images
let's
from text
see what we
descriptions.
get.
You can
Thank
simply
you.
type in the
Wow,
description
wow.
and watch as the
I
program
means
magically
it
transform
means
your words
a
into a
horror
captivating image
story.
right before
It's
your eyes,
interesting. It
just like
has
some of the
some
examples
conflict.
you're seeing
We're
right here
gonna
on
save
screen. So in order
the
to
reveal
use
of this
Midjourney, you'll
story
actually
until
first need to
the
sign
end.
up for a
So
Discord
what we
account.
need to do is we need to create some emergency imagery, because what children book complete without some illustration. I really like this tool and it is called Midjourney. Okay, so what I am going to do her, so I am going to put in a prompt. I am going to tell it what I am looking for. Imagery voice. Okay, I saw we have a prompt and it is read a chocolate labrador papaya in a forest looking sad. Okay, it's written something. Let's take a look and what it produced. So it give you 4 option and you can look and see what you like, and that hard to pick because they are really good. By one stand out to me, so I am gonna pick one. Will be our mage of fluff. So now going to work and getting this image from Red Journey, and I'll check back and with you in a few minutes. No, of course I could just go into the sound booth and record an audio of the story, but what's the fun in that when we can use AI voice? So now I have put it all together and I think I am ready to share it with the kids. Let's see what they think. Once upon a time in a magical dead forest with field full of trees, they led a little puppy named Fluff. Was a curious puppy and he loved to explore the forest, and I learned new thing one day. So if heard about a man named Jesus who gave free eternal life to people. Thought was very interested and wanted to learn more about Jesus, but there was one problem. Tough couldn't read. Fluff was very so that he couldn't read about Jesus and he didn't know what to do. He wondered if anyone in the forest would be able to help tell him about Jesus him. He went to the grumpy gong. They told him eternal life is not free. Another said, Jesus will make you work so hard your fur will what hell of. He heard a voice in the distance. No, 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 voice of over and over again. That just not right. Tough Fluff followed the sound of the voice and summing Sunni came upon a little old man who was sitting under a tree. The old man said, God loved the world so much that he his sent only son, that whoever believe him will not perish but have eternal life. God is Jesus. He gives eternal life.